Hello everyone, this side Dr. Bharti from RPIIMS campus Karnal. Today I am here to discuss about the physiotherapy course as a profession. So why we choose a physiotherapy as a profession? Students after completing the plus 2 examination has a dilemma to choose a physiotherapy or which course they have to choose as a profession. So today I am here to suggest a physiotherapy as a good career option for after plus 2 examination. Why physiotherapy as a good profession? Physiotherapy, according to WHO, or a physiotherapy is an independent course. Physiotherapist can assess, plan and implement rehabilitation programs that improve or restores the human functions, which helps to prevent the physical challenges associated with injuries, disease and other impairments. So physiotherapy is effective at any age. Physiotherapy is helpful in so many different age groups where physiotherapists play an important role. Physiotherapy is important for pediatric cases. Physiotherapy is important for fitness, important at fitness level. Physiotherapy is important for, as I told earlier, for physical challenges associated with injuries, for any type of injuries, the neuro injury, traumatic injury, cardiopulmonary injuries, any injuries, any challenges associated with injury, disease and other impairment. Physiotherapy is very much important. Second, another option, physiotherapy is helpful for gynec and obstetric purposes as well. Physiotherapy is important in the sports fields as well. So physiotherapy is very much important at every age group. So when we talk about physiotherapy, the course offered by RPIIMS as a Department of Physiotherapy, course offered by this RPIIMS is BPT, that is Bachelor of Physiotherapy. Bachelor of Physiotherapy is having a 4.5-year duration of course with 6 months rotatory internship. Physiotherapy is a 4-year course having 6 months rotatory internship. Now, physiotherapy, why we choose RPIIMS, why we choose physiotherapy course in RPIIMS campus? Because physiotherapy is in RPIIMS, we have a lush green campus, we have a fully open Wi-Fi facility, we have different labs, electrotherapy lab where we have different well-equipped equipments for that demonstrating the classes with the demonstration at particular labs, like in electrotherapy lab where we have well-equipped modalities. This is the electrotherapy lab where we have well-equipped instruments. Now next lab is exercise therapy lab where we take the classes in the labs manually with model based. 1-to-1 classes were taken in that exercise therapy lab where we teach so many mobilization, so many techniques to the individual with the help of different modalities as well. So we have a well established anatomy lab where we have all equipment related to the human body. There are different models related to the human structures. We have different specimens that we cover up the curriculum of the subject. We have different labs like physiology lab where we have all procedures that we have to do in like blood pressures. We have to differentiate the type of cells, type of structure of cell in the microscope, and we have different centrifugation machines where all the practical work conducted in the physiology lab. Next we have different neurology and the pediatric lab as well. We take the classes with demonstration on the 5 to 6 batches. So we'll take the classes with demonstration only, not a theoretical based. We'll take the classes by giving the demonstration to a model. Now we have multiple tie-ups in the Karnal hospitals like weak hospitals. We have in Mahabibdal hospitals. We have in Swastik hospital where we have different tie-ups where we treat the patient along with the teachers. We have an departmental library as well where The students can issue the books related to the course. Students can read the journal articles, how to read the journal article, where we tells the students about the how to critically analyze the journal article, how to search the good research article, which article we have to read or which are not. So we have a full equipped departmental library in the physiotherapy department as well. So we have different subjects that we are teaching in the based upon that curriculum of the course. We have all subjects like medicine, neurology, physiology, orthopedics, obs gynae related to the based upon the curriculum of all the 4 years. Now we have futures. What are the future scopes that every student think about it, that what we are doing after completing the BPT, Bachelor of Physiotherapy. So there is a huge scope for physiotherapy option after completing the BPT. We have an option towards clinical practice, with designation as a clinical instructor. If we are not going for clinical practice, we are moved towards the further studies, and we are completing the course of Masters of Physiotherapy. That we have in different specialization for the same, like we have MPT in orthopedics, MPT neurology, MPT pediatrics, MPT obs gynae, MPT musculoskeleton, MPT sports, MPT community rehabilitations and all. So if we go for that, we have an post over that government and the private sector as well. Nowadays we have an physiotherapy in doctorate degree in philosophy, like PhD in various degree of specialization, physiotherapy in neurology, neurophysiotherapy in cardiopulmonary, physiotherapy in sports. So we have an doctorate degree in the course of physiotherapy as well. So after that we become the researchers. So there are huge scope in India as well as in abroad as well. So there are huge scope of physiotherapy in India as well. What are the scope of physiotherapists in India? So we appointed as a clinical physiotherapist in super specialty hospital, and we are appointed as a clinical physiotherapist as an independent practitioner. So we open up the clinic as well. So we are moving towards, if we are not open up the clinic and we are not interested to do job in the hospitals, we are moving towards the academics as well. In the doing after UG program like BPT, we are appointed as a junior physiotherapist or the demonstrator, and after completing master degree course we are appointed as an assistant professor, and after that 8 years we are promoted as on. So after that we have an option for the government and private sectors as well, and we have an option for innovation and the researcher as well. Now we have a huge scope in the field of sports as well. Physiotherapist plays important role in the sports physiotherapy as well. So there are various scope in abroad as well, like Canada, Australia, America, Dubai, England and Oman. So there are different scope, but after that we have to completing some credentials after completing the exam, after successfully completion of the exam. Kindly make sure that we have to make the credential cleared first, for that doing a practice in the abroad. But we have a huge scope in the scope of physiotherapy in abroad as well. So there is a list of that our achievers that after completing the bachelor programs over there, their students achieve a good rank in the university as well. So this is all about the course of physiotherapy. So what you are thinking about? So maybe this video helped to chosen up a profession as a physiotherapy. So this is all about the course of physiotherapy. Thank you.